Forex Diamond is a comprehensive Forex trading solution that aims to provide traders with the tools and insights necessary to succeed in the volatile Forex market. Developed by FX Automator, it's a powerful automated trading system designed to help you make profitable trades with less effort. Forex Diamond uses a combination of trading strategies, including trend out, retrace, counter trend, and scalping, to maximize your potential earnings and minimize risk. Forex Diamond has several key features that set it apart. It uses three proven market strategies to provide a balanced and effective approach to Forex trading. It also includes a high-performance backtesting system, allowing you to test strategies before implementing them. Forex Diamond has a dynamic trading logic, which means it can adapt to changing market conditions. It also provides a high slippage protection and spread protection to safeguard your trades from unfavorable market conditions. Forex Diamond is priced competitively. For a one-time payment of $237, you get a lifetime license for any two accounts, free updates, and customer support. There's also an option for a full money-back guarantee within 60 days if you're not satisfied with the product. This makes Forex Diamond an affordable solution for traders of all levels. Forex Diamond is ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders. Beginners can benefit from the automated trading system, which does the heavy lifting, while experienced traders can use its advanced features to refine their strategies. It's also perfect for those who want to diversify their trading strategies, as Forex Diamond employs multiple strategies. Lastly, for traders who value security, the system's high level of protection against slippage and spread fluctuations is a significant advantage. Forex Diamond offers several advantages. Its high-frequency trading strategy ensures more trading opportunities. The dynamic trading logic allows it to adapt to varying market conditions, giving it a competitive edge. It also offers high protection from slippage and spread changes. The backtesting feature allows you to assess strategies before deploying them. Lastly, the affordable pricing and money-back guarantee make it a risk-free investment. Despite its advantages, Forex Diamond has some limitations. It requires a stable internet connection to work optimally, which may not always be available. There's a learning curve for beginners, as the system's advanced features can be complex. Lastly, while the software is generally reliable, no system can guarantee profits 100% of the time, so losses are still possible. Forex Diamond is a comprehensive, affordable, and automated Forex trading solution. It employs multiple strategies, offers high protection, and adapts to changing market conditions. While it has some limitations, such as requiring a stable internet connection and a learning curve for beginners, its benefits arguably outweigh these drawbacks. In conclusion, Forex Diamond is a robust tool for anyone looking to venture into Forex trading. Its unique features and strategies can potentially increase your profits and minimize risks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy trading.